Hi friends, I'm Tech. You're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to use find and replace option on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use find and replace? For example, here I just type as in and here I just type as all and here I just type as on. Okay. So we just typed something like this. So I just pasted somewhere on the page. Okay, so I just need to find and replace in into out. Okay, so now you can use Control F on your keyboard for this shortcut, or you can find this option on the find and replace option here also. You click on the find, it will appears. So here I just going to first of all I just going to find in. Okay, so find next, you can see it automatically selected by the cell by cell. Okay, so just click on replace option. Now I just going to replace it as a out. Okay, so now you will see option here find next, which will you can just replace as single by single. Otherwise, if you just want to replace everything on the screen, you just click on the replace all, which will be replace everything on the screen. You can see everything has been changed. For example, here I just going to select all, and I just going to choose all in one. I just going to change all into all in one. So you can see here just going to replace all. You can see everything has been replaced into all in one. This is how you just find and replace on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.